Looking for an easy way to turn your TV into a smart streaming hub? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Roku Streaming Stick HD, featuring full HD streaming, fast performance, and access to thousands of popular streaming apps. With its simple setup and compact design, it's an easy way to upgrade your entertainment. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Roku Streaming Stick HD, voice remote, 2 pre-installed batteries, power cable, user manual. Product features. Enjoy crisp and detailed 1080p full HD picture quality for your favorite movies, TV shows, and live content. The Roku Streaming Stick HD delivers smooth streaming with vibrant visuals and reliable performance, making everyday entertainment more immersive on compatible HD TVs. Get instant access to thousands of streaming apps offering movies, TV series, live sports, news, music, and more. The intuitive Roku interface keeps everything organized, making it quick and easy to discover, launch, and switch between your favorite services. The Roku voice remote lets you search for content, launch apps, and control playback using simple voice commands. It also provides convenient access to essential TV controls, helping you spend less time searching and more time enjoying your entertainment. Powered for smooth and responsive streaming, the Roku Streaming Stick HD lets you launch apps quickly and switch between content with minimal delays. Its reliable performance helps deliver a seamless entertainment experience, whether you're watching movies, shows, or live TV. Technical specifications. How to use. Insert the Roku Streaming Stick HD into your TV's HDMI port and connect the USB-C power cable to a USB port or power adapter. Turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input to begin the setup process. Insert the included AAA batteries into the voice remote. The remote usually pairs automatically during setup, but if it doesn't, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. Connect the Roku Streaming Stick HD to your home Wi-Fi network and sign into your existing Roku account or create a new one. Once activated, download your favorite streaming apps, sign into your subscriptions, and start enjoying your favorite entertainment. Safety tips. Avoid water and moisture. Use the correct power accessories. Do not overheat the device. Handle ports and connectors gently. Keep the remote safe. Store in a cool, dry place. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.